forward hold, side step left, right, step together left, forward right foot hold, side together forward hold, step left to the side, step together left, right foot, and forward left hold. Section 2, side together back hold, step right to the side, step together left, step right back hold, side together back hold, step left to the side, step together right, step left back hold. Section 3, walk back 3 steps, right, left, right. Now weight is on the right, left foot, low kick forward, and back rock, rock back, recover, step forward left, pivot half to right, weight is now on the right. Section 4, walk forward 2 steps with hold, walk left hold, walk right forward hold. Left foot cross walk, step back, rock, recover, step back on the left, drag right, toes left, quarter right turn on the left. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you start again. There's a restart. During wall 4, after 16 counts. Wall 4, you start facing 3 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5,